In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the waiting room feature in Google Meet. This simple tutorial will help you manage who comes into your meetings, enhancing the security and control over your virtual gatherings. So, whether you're a teacher guiding a classroom, a team leader hosting a meeting, or just someone who wants a bit more privacy in their calls, these steps will be useful. First, you'll need to open Google Meet. You can do this by navigating to the Google Meet website or accessing it through your Gmail account if you're logged in. Start a new meeting by clicking on the New Meeting option. This could be a scheduled meeting or an impromptu one that you're setting up on the fly. Once your meeting is up and running, you'll want to look for a small shield icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This icon has a lock symbol and is often associated with security settings. Clicking on this shield icon will open up your meeting controls, which are essential for managing participants. Once you've accessed these controls, you'll focus on the section labeled Meeting Access Type. Here you'll find several options, but for the purpose of enabling a waiting room, you'll need to select the option named Trusted. Choosing Trusted ensures that participants you invite using their Google account can join the meeting without needing to be admitted. For everyone else, however, they will be placed in a virtual waiting room until you decide to admit them. This feature works especially well to prevent unfamiliar or uninvited guests from abruptly joining your session. Now, whenever someone attempts to join your meeting, you'll see a pop-up notification. This notification will typically ask you to either admit or deny the participant entry into the meeting. It's a straightforward process, simply clicking a button to accept or reject their request. This mechanism gives you full control over who you want to allow and when you want to let them enter the meeting. Let's touch briefly on what trusted implies beyond what's already mentioned. For those who have been invited to your meeting via a Google account, they can join effortlessly without waiting for permission, streamlining their entry. Alternatively, everyone else will remain in the virtual waiting area, needing your manual approval to access the session. This not only adds a layer of security, but also means anyone with the dial-in phone option can enter right away, which is useful for those on the go or without quick access to a computer. By applying this feature, you can maintain the integrity and quality of your meetings, ensuring that only those you want to be present are permitted to listen in or participate. That wraps up this tutorial on enabling the waiting room in Google Meet. I hope you found it easy to follow and helpful in organizing your next virtual meeting. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more straightforward and helpful guides.